How to make $1,000 online in 2025, even if you're retired or never touched a computer. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm a 65-year-old mammal from a holler in Kentucky, and I'm living proof that you don't have to be techie, young, or fancy to earn income online. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps how to earn income from home, and the one step that most beginners miss that could make or break your success. So first, pick a simple done-for-you system. What if I told you that the hardest part about making money online has already been done for you? Instead of building everything from scratch, beginners can use systems with automations, websites, templates, and training already built in. With programs like the one that I use, all the heavy lifting, like the websites, the sale pages, and even the email follow-ups, it's all pre-built. That means you can just plug in, follow the step-by-step instructions, and start earning. I've seen folks pull their first few $100s within a few weeks just using the basics. Don't let fear of technology stop you. If I can click buttons and follow some directions, I'm sure you can too. Now, quick heads up, if you're someone like me who needs to see the whole strategy in action, grab my Freedom Blueprint below, click on that link, pop in your email, and within minutes, you'll have the step-by-step of how this all works. The next point is start with small digital products. Here's the first income stream that retirees usually don't even know exists. Digital products that could be checklists, guides, lessons that you can sell over and over without ever restocking. I started by sharing 4 simple products that solved a problem. Just 4. And the reason I had 4 is because the program I chose came with 4 products already created and ready to go for me. But you can start with just 1. Digital products can sell for $10, $50, even hundreds of dollars, depending on their value. And since they're delivered online, you do not have to ship a thing. Just imagine waking up to sales that came in while you were napping. That's what happened to me. I was taking a nap when my first $900 sale came through. You don't need shelves or boxes. Just one helpful product that keeps paying you over and over. And really important is to use automation to work while you rest. What if your business could keep working while you're fishing, sleeping, taking care of your grandbabies, just living life? Automation tools like email sequences, autoresponders, keep your business running 24/7 as long as you've done your work. Once someone clicks your link, the system sends them follow-up emails, explains your offer, and collects payment for you without you lifting a finger. And that's how people scale from 200 to 1,000 or more. Bottom line is, instead of working harder, the system does the heavy lifting for you so that you can go about living your life. Now, if you're like me and you're more of a visual learner, be sure and click that Freedom Blueprint below. You click that, pop in your email, and in your email, and within minutes will come a step-by-step PDF guide as to what I'm talking about. Now, master resale rights equal 100% profit. Here is where the real money shows up. Instead of small commissions, you can sell digital products with master resale rights. That means simply when you make a sale, you keep 100%, not a slice of it. I've seen payouts of $300, $600, $900 a day with this model. And this is how ordinary folks like me go from hobby money to real retirement income. And if you're wondering if it's too late, take it from this 65-year-old mama, it's not. Of course, you'll want to keep learning and growing. What's the only way to fail at this? Stopping too soon. Digital marketing is very beginner friendly, but it's not magic overnight. If you stick with it, watch the lessons, apply the steps, test and tweak, you will see results. The people who succeed are the ones who keep showing up. Your age, your past, your tech level, none of that matters. What matters is taking the next step today. So now you know, $1,000 a month online is no big secret. It's done for you systems, simple digital products, automation, resale rights, and never giving up. I want to know which of these steps seems like the easiest place for you to start right now. Tell me in the comments. I would love to cheer you on. And remember, if this mammal from a holler in Kentucky can do this, so can you. Now that you know how to start earning $1,000 a month in 2025, even if you're retired and never touched a computer, perhaps you want to know How do I get started? I want to, but I don't know where to get started. I was the same way. So be sure and watch this next video to find out how I got started, even though I didn't know where to start.